Hi, welcome all of you to SS Creation. Today we are going to see the daily news updates, and before going into the updates, we are 6 short of half century with respect to our subscribers. Hopefully we will be able to achieve 50 subscribers this weekend. Now, going into the daily update. First, as usual, we are going to have a defense update. Raythan gets a sales contract of 155 X-guided projectile which uses GPS for tracking the exact location of the enemy. This particular projectile can go and hit the enemy target at the exact location irrespective of the landscape because it uses GPS as a coordinate tracker. There is going to be a sale for this company in India, Netherlands and Spain, approximately 40 million rupees as a contract. Next news is going to be very important news, whether Indian Army is going to go ahead and buy the DRDO and L&T's K9 Vajra, or whether they are going to go ahead and buy Russian made Spirit. See, there is report which clearly says DRDO and L&T made K9 Vajra is much better than the Russian made tank because the Russian made tank has compromised its armor for its firepower, and it uses same 125 gun which is being used in T90, wherein on the other hand this K9 Vajra is a very good tanker and also has a very good armor protection for the vehicle. Armor protection vehicle is very important for tank because that only will protect the tanks from the enemy attack, but that itself is being compromised by the Russian made tank. So this is one of the key factors that is getting analyzed by the Indian Army, and if they go ahead and buy K9 Vajra, then there will be a good boost towards the indigenization development of the tanks and artillery, because tanks and artillery are the main frontline battle weapons for the army against the enemy. If we start making all these indigenized and this technology related development happens inside the country, then it will give us a good boost in making these kind of equipments in India. The third news is going to be with respect to the artillery. ATAGS is under the final user trial this summer. The outcome of this particular trial will also boost Indian Army a lot, because if this trial is very much successful, then Indian Army can go ahead and buy ATAGS rather than Israel Ethos. And I have attached the photos and what are all the components that is getting into the ATAGS, and on the other hand I have put the Israel Ethos photo. Now we will go ahead and look at the global news. The most awaited US and Russian leaders discussion is over. That meeting was actually planned for 5 hours, wherein the meeting actually happened only 1 hour. There was no major outcome from that particular meeting. The only constructive decision that has been made is they are planning to resend ambassadors back to those countries and start the cordial relation from now on. But how far this will progress, because when two leaders meet each other and they planned for a 5 hours meeting, they would have constructively been having what are all the points that needs to be discussed. Wherein that 5 hours meeting itself is not happened completely. Only 1 hour meeting is happening. Exchange of ambassador, building up of relation is all just for the news, for the media, and I don't think there is any betterment that is going to happen in that relationship. Finally, how is market going to perform tomorrow? If you see the open interest, there is a lot of call option being sold more than the put option, which clearly states people are capping the market at the upper position. So what could Nifty be? Nifty can be bullish above 15,702 and can be bearish or weak below 15,656. And how about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty can be mildly bullish if it goes above 34,596, but the clear trend will start only after 34,728, wherein it can be weak below 34,545. Before going into the stock view, we will see how FIIs and DIIs have performed in today's market. If you see, FIIs have approximately sold 900 crores in the market, and DIIs on the other hand has bought only 45 crores in the market. This negative trend has been continuing for the past 2 days with respect to the FIIs. Yesterday, in fact, yes, FIIs and DIIs both were bearish in the market. Both FIIs and DIIs have sold 1600 crore yesterday, wherein today also market is on a bearish trend because of FII keeping on selling in cash market. Now we will have the stock views. JSW Steel can be bullish above 702.5 and it can be bearish below 695. On the other hand, if you see LIC, LIC can be bullish above 488.2 and can be bearish below 478. If you do like this content, hit on the like button. If you feel this informations are very useful, do share it to your friends and family so they will also get benefited. And if you still not subscribed to the channel, do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.